So welcome traders, thank you so much for clicking onto my video and I really appreciate that. So thank you so much for clicking and I hope you enjoyed this video. So in this video I'm going to be talking about how to use the RSI to filter out your losing trades. So I am aware that all of you watching this video right now, you all have your different trading methods. I am aware that there are trend followers watching, pattern traders, support and resistance traders, supply and demand traders, and so on and so forth. So all of you have different trading methods, but that doesn't matter. The method that I'm about to teach you guys today works across all board. It can work with any strategy that exists out there, so nobody's going to be left behind on this. So the RSI, how do we use the RSI to filter out the losing trades? So let me just put it on the chart. So in order to locate the RSI, just come to the indicators button and just type RSI, and it's gonna show up as the relative strength index, and click on it and it will be applied on the charts. So here we have the RSI. Let me just increase its size so that it can be visible for all of you to see. So here we have the RSI. So personally, I like setting the RSI at a length of 7. The defaults are normally at 14, but I like to set it at 7 because when it set it at 7, I tend to find a lot more opportunities. So you can implement that as well. So now here we have the RSI. So what the RSI does is that it shows us when price is overbought or oversold. So here we have the RSI line. So the RSI line is this squiggly line that is moving up and down. So when the RSI, when it crosses above this horizontal line right here, and this horizontal line is the 70 level, when it crosses this line right here, it means that price is overbought. So when price is overbought, what it means is that price came up very quick and there is a potential that it may be overpriced. So since the price might be overpriced, there is a high chance that it may drop back down. So when price is overbought, that is a good time to be looking for your sell, since price might be overbought, and when price is overbought, there is a likelihood that there is going to be a huge sell-off. So that is for the overbought. Now when price is oversold, the RSI, it crosses below this horizontal line below here, and this horizontal line below here, it is the 30 level. So when price crosses the 30 level, price is said to be oversold. And when price is oversold, what it simply means is that price came down very quick and there is a high chance that it may be underpriced. And when price is underpriced, there is a high probability that it may jump back up. So when price is oversold, that is a really good time to be looking for your buy opportunities. Okay, so the RSI, it shows us when price is overbought, and when price is overbought, you should be looking for your sells. And it also shows us when price is oversold, and when price is oversold, you should be looking for your buying opportunities. So how can you implement this information onto your trading style to ensure that you filter out your losing trades? So let me just decrease it. So just as I had mentioned earlier, all of you have different trading styles. So there are trend traders right here who just look to trade with the trend. So we have this uptrend. I'm also aware that there are pattern traders. There are traders who might be trading maybe double bottoms, double tops, maybe even head and shoulders, maybe support, just plain support and resistance zones. So there are several methods through which all of you watching this video trade. So how you can implement this information that I've just taught you onto your trading style is by just focusing on those setups where price is either overbought or oversold. So for example, if you are a trend trader and you're looking to catch the opportunity to the buy side, so when price breaks this level and when it's retesting, only trade it, only take the opportunity when at this particular point, when you look at the RSI is oversold, because when it's oversold, that is the time when there is a high probability that it may shoot back up. When you're looking for your selling opportunities, let's say price comes to the resistance area, only take those opportunities that occur when at that particular point, when you look at the RSI is going to be overbought, because when it's overbought, there is a high chance that it may drop back down. And that the same applies when you're looking for those buys. Only look for those buys when price is oversold, because when price is oversold, that is the time when price is likely to shoot back up. So that is how you use the RSI. So the way in which it filters out your losing trades is it helps filter out the losing trades, because it prevents you from taking those setups, from taking those losses that may occur as a result of trading when price is neither overbought nor oversold. So when you focus on these setups that I'm talking about, you're going to be trading less, right? Because you're going to be avoiding the other setups that occur when price is neither overbought nor oversold. You're going to be trading the less high probability setups, and you're going to be avoiding the low probability setups. So it is those low probability setups that we want to avoid. Those losses from low probability setups, those are the losses that we want to avoid. And when we avoid those losses, overall we are going to decrease the number of losses that you normally go through when trading normally. Okay, so by using the RSI, you are only going to be focusing on the high probability setups. At the same time, you're going to be avoiding the losses that come as a result of focusing on those setups where price is neither overbought nor oversold, and therefore you're going to be having lesser losses than what you normally have. So that is how you use the RSI to filter out the losing trades, and trust me, this method, it does work. Okay, so that brings me to a close of the video. I hope you enjoyed it in as much as I enjoyed making it. So go through this video over and over again until you have mastered whatever it is that I have talked about, and then go ahead and backtest it on your demo, and trust me, the results are really going to shock you. So just do that, and I hope that you have a fantastic time, and see you in the next video. Have a good life.